As an estate and elder law attorney, one of the questions I get most often from families is what happens when I have to go into a nursing home. My name is Bill Miller, and I'm an estate and elder law attorney in Alabama. I have offices in Birmingham and Anniston, and I work with families on a daily basis who have loved ones who are going into nursing homes and are confused, intimidated, and really don't know where to turn. So when someone has to go into a nursing home, the first issue is how they're going to pay for it. And there's only three ways to pay, and most people don't realize this, but the three ways to pay are: number one, you pay out of your pocket; number two, you have long-term care insurance; and number three, the government pays through the Medicaid program, not Medicare, but Medicaid. But Medicaid is a means-tested program, and it can be very difficult to qualify. As a result, most people have to pay out of pocket until they spend down their assets to qualify for Medicaid. Long-term care insurance is the best way to pay, but if most people don't have long-term care insurance, and by the time you get to where you have to go to a nursing home, it's too late to buy it. So what most people are trying to do is figure out how they can get Medicaid to pay for their care, especially if they're married, because the spouse is often concerned about how they're going to make it on their income. If their spouse is going to have to go to a nursing home and all their income goes there, they're also concerned about whether they're going to lose their home and their life savings. So Medicaid has very strict requirements in order to qualify. If you're married, your assets, if you're not married, you cannot have more than $2,000 in exempt assets and qualify for Medicaid. Otherwise, you've got to spend those down. And if your income exceeds about $2,200 a month, you're not going to qualify for Medicaid. If you're married, you can keep all of your income if your spouse goes to the nursing home, but all of their income goes to the nursing home. So now you got to live just on your income, and you can only keep one half of you and your spouse's assets up to a maximum, keep half of those assets up to a maximum of about $130,000. So people get into a panic when they go to a nursing home and find out that they've got to spend all of their life savings on care before they're going to qualify for Medicaid. If you've got $300,000 in assets, you're going to have to spend down about $170,000 before Medicaid is going to pay for your care. Now, I'll also tell you that if you're married and you're living in the home and your spouse goes to a nursing home, Medicaid won't do anything with your house. You can continue to live there because you have to have a place to live. But if you passed away while your spouse was in the nursing home and Medicaid was paying for their care, then Medicaid is going to put a lien on your house. So the rules are very complicated. There are ways to speed up the Medicaid qualification process. I'm not going to get into those in this video, but I would urge you that if you have someone going into a nursing home, if you have a spouse or a parent, I would urge you to contact our office immediately at 256-472-2172, and we can set up a meeting with you. In about a 30-minute meeting, we can tell you how much we can help you save, how to maximize the assets that you do have left, maximize your income, and keep you from losing everything you've worked for if your spouse goes to a nursing home. I look forward to seeing you.